Anytime I read it, that's how I hear it. It's Korean sweet fire! 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 Fire!
I feel like a little heat.
That's the fire!
I see now.
What's up, guys? I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And here's the thing. Tonight, this evening, we were hoping to be cooking on the beach because cooking on the beach is awesome.
But the weather always seems to catch us off guard, and it's a bit windier than we expected, and nobody likes sand in their dinner.
No.
So the next best is dinner with a view.
Right, so we're at our campsite, and like I said, we're right across the street. We can see the beach from here, so this is gonna have to do. But tonight, we're excited because we are still going to prepare beach kebabs using Blackstone's Sear and Serve sauces. So let's go fire up Blackstone.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. If you have been here before, we're glad you're back. As you know, we are a family that travels the country full time, and we just hit our 24th state in Texas. So today we are preparing Texas beach. What are we making? Texas. So today we are making Texas beach kebabs. We are using Blackstone's Sear and Serve sauces. We've got 3 going on here.
Yeah, so all of our meats were done in a different flavor of the Sear and Serve. So we've got a lot of variety.
What's really great about Blackstone Sear and Serve sauces is you can use them right out of the bottle immediately. We did, however, decide to marinate overnight. Our chicken we put in the loaded Italian, and then our beef is in the Korean sweet fire sauce. And then our shrimp is in the teriyaki sesame.
I've also got the griddle preheating to medium heat, so let's get started.
All right, we gotta chop the veggies. We got some peppers, we've got some onions, squash, and baby potatoes, or tomatoes. What are they?
I think these are grape tomatoes, meaning the size of a grape. They don't say. They're just small tomatoes.
All right.
All right, you want them?
Big
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
That's a knife.
I'm not CJ or Nate, so all of your video jokes will go completely
you saw
over.
Crocodile Dundee. I was saying.
If you guys,
Down Under.
okay, if you guys haven't had a chance, we
crashed the party.
Yeah, crashed the party with Nate and CJ, which was so much fun.
We had a
But
blast
Spencer fit in so well with the two of them, especially on CJ's show with all like the movie quotes, and I'm just like. Because I don't get them. Alright, I'm gonna start with the squash. I feel like kebabs are traditionally really colorful, and so we've got a lot of color going on here.
That is definitely going in. One thing I love about kebabs is that you can like build your own dinner.
Make your own is really fun, especially, right, like you said, and if you don't like something in particular, like a pepper or onion,
right,
you can just put on what you like.
Right, so I'll do the onion.
All right.
Onion tastes so good when it's got just a little bit of char on it.
We are moving right along, and it is time to put these bad boys together.
Start building?
Yep, I'll do the shrimp. This is like the fun part, putting it all together. Making it look colorful and tasty.
Your supervisor's got a close eye on you.
Am I doing it right, Kate?
Do you have a certain technique you use when you build your kebab?
I do like 1 or 2 things and then a meat, 1 or 2 things and then a meat.
I usually go 1 or 2 meat, vegetable, 1 or 2 meat. All right, it's time to get these bad boys on the griddle. I'm gonna throw the chicken and the beef down first because they're gonna take a little bit longer to cook, and then we'll throw the shrimp down towards the end so that everything finishes up right on time. It's been about a minute or 2. The griddle's pretty hot, so we're not gonna have to leave them on each side for too long, but I'm gonna give these a turn. Oh man, that smells so good. All right, the beef and the chicken are almost ready, so I'm gonna throw some of these shrimp bobs down.
All right, we're getting close, but what we did realize is the shrimp isn't touching the griddle the way that the steak and the chicken did. So in hindsight, we should have cut our veggies in half for at least the shrimp skewers,
yeah.
Just so they could be like flush on the griddle top.
Yeah, so basically the vegetables are keeping the shrimp elevated up off the griddle, so they're just taking a little longer to cook.
But you turned the burner off.
Turn the burner off on the beef and the chicken, so they're pretty much done, and then we've got the shrimp on high.
In the essence of time, I'm gonna go pop this rice in the microwave. I'll be right back.
All right. All right, we have given the shrimp a few more minutes. I think they are done, and now we are ready to plate these up, which is awesome because I'm hungry.
We're gonna take them off the skewers.
Yeah. Oh, fail.
Party foul. Food foul.
All right, what are you going in for first?
All right, well, I know you want to do steak.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll do shrimp. Oh my gosh, just looking at my finger, that was, I feel like a little heat.
That's the fire!
I see now. That just surprised me. I just, oh, you know.
All right.
Here we go.
Get a pepper.
Yeah, I'm trying to scoop
steak,
some rice in my onion. The teriyaki sesame is really very flavorful and not overpowering.
The Korean sweet fire on the beef is...
All right, I'm going for that.
It's awesome.
Okay.
It's so good.
No, I want
it's
that
not super hot.
Okay.
But the beef too. Look at that.
Oh, so
Slice
nice.
it in half
so
with a
tender.
fork. Came out super tender.
I love the kick to that. It's not,
like I said,
it's not a lot, but there's a little heat and it's very nice.
Just a little juice on the end.
Okay.
The chicken's really good.
All
It's
right.
like,
and this bite's just perfect.
it's like dead on Italian. It's fantastic. All right, guys, thank you very much for joining us tonight. And I will say this too, while we've been cooking right here, we've had about 4 or 5 couples, families come up and say hi, ask us what we're doing, introduce themselves.
Let us know what time dinner is.
Yeah,
when will you be finished?
Like,
we'll be back.
That smells fantastic. When should we be here? If you happen to be in a campground where you see us, please come up, say hi, introduce yourself. If you don't happen to see us on the road, drop us a comment below and tell us where you like to go and travel and cook. And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious. We will see you down the road.